video, let's talk about roles which we need for SAP MDG for business partner. First, I will go to my user and I will show you that I don't have any roles related to MDG. I use transaction SU01 to display my user. I will go to roles and here is the list of roles. By filtering roles here by name, we can ensure that no roles related to MDG in my user. So, if I would like to use MDG, let's say through NetWeaver Business Client, I will not be able to do it. Let's ensure. I'm using transaction NWBC, and here is the list of roles I have. As far as I have no roles related to MDG, I cannot use MDG functionality. I will close it and I will add myself the roles which I need for MDG. But first, let me show you which roles SAP delivers out of the box with MDG. I will use transaction PFCG for all. This is a transaction for all maintenance, and let's see which standard roles we have for MDG for business partner. I will search and using this prefix I will find it. So there are several roles delivered by SAP out of a box and we can use them. Let's look at the descriptions some of these roles. As we see from the description, this role contains all authorizations to display master data, change request, change documents, replication statuses, and other important information of master data for business partner. It is assigned to an auditor who is then authorized to display all information, but not to change anything. Next role. Next role is for specialist. This role contains all authorizations required to process and approve change request for master data for business partner. The role was usually okay. So this role should be given to users who will be processing change request and approve them. Another role is a role of requester. This role contains all authorizations required to create and display change request for master data for business partner. It is assigned to a user who is then able to create changes to master data. So I will give myself roles of requester and specialist. So I will be able to request to create new change requests and to process them. Let's do it. I will go to my user again. I will delete the filter. And I will add the role. It will be, let's copy. Okay. And another role was for display. No, it was for specialist, sorry. And there is another role which should be given to any of the persons who owns any of these roles of requester, specialist, or auditor. It is called menu, and let's find how it is called exactly. It is called like this. It is provided only to the users of SAP NetWeaver Business Client and is assigned to the owner of the following roles. Actually, the roles which we need. So I will give this role also. Now we can save. And by adding these roles, we gave actually to my user ability to use SAP MDG for Business Partner. Let's check it. I will open the NetWeaver Business Client. And now I will be able to see my roles. Here is it. I will use the role of requester to check if I actually have authorizations to create the change requests. Here is the landing page for SAP MDG for Business Partner. And to create a change request, first I need go to Search Business Partner. This is the search page. On the upper section, there are some fields related to search. I will not actually use any of them. In the bottom section, there is a section for search result. I will use this button to create the new change request. As we see, I have the list of change request types available to my user, and I can select one of them to create the new change request. Here is it. You can see now the open page of a new change request. I will not process it at the moment. We ensured that I have authorization to create the new change requests. So it works. And it was the video about the roles which we need for SAP MDG for Business Partner. Thank you for watching.